सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तम्। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, निवृत्ति उदारा सोपान देवा, मुक्ताबाई नमो, त्रिभुवन पावनी आद्यत्रय जननी देवांची. Object doesn't have happiness in that. We have seen this topic. Now, who is happy on this earth? Bhagavan is going to tell. Who is actual yogi, a real practitioner, one who is actually connected to God? That Bhagavan is going to tell in this shloka. Saha yogi, saha sukhi narah. That person is yogi. Very, very balanced one. And that person is okay, sukhi, happy. शक्नोति हैव यः सोढुम् प्राक्शरीरविमोक्षणात् कामक्रोधोद्भवं वेगम् स युक्तः स सुखी नरः। शक्नोति हैव यः सोढुम् प्राक्शरीरविमोक्षणात् कामक्रोधोद्भवं वेगं स युक्तः स सुखी नरः. Beautiful definition. Who is happy? Who is realized one? Who is balanced one? Who has control over mind? That person is being glorified here, or in fact explained here. शक्नोति इह एव यः सोढुं प्राक् शरीर विमोक्षणात् काम क्रोध उद्भवं वेगं सः युक्तः सः सुखी नरः. Beautiful. Vigraha means we split sandhis and make all the words more clear. Iha, on this mrityuloka, in this world, eva, in this world only. Spirituality here is not talking about life in different world, swarga, naraka, anywhere. In this very body, in this very world. Iha eva. Oh, sharira vimokshanat. Before this body falls apart, before we leave, drop this body, prak, before that, in this world, before this body we drop, yah, one who, kama krodha udbhavam vegam. Vegam means the disturbances. Who causes disturbance in our life? Kama and krodha. Desire, disturbance. Krodha, anger, big disturbance. So udbhavam, which are born. So the rush, the wind, the flow, which is born out of desire and anger, one who sodhum, one who bears them, one who controls them, one who regulates them, one who is able to regulate. Sodhum shaknoti, saha narah, that person. Yuktah is a balanced one, a realized one, a striving one, and that person is happy. So, one who is able to control, regulate their desires and anger, those people are yogi, those people are happy. What about others? Ayuktah asukhi. Very difficult to follow in life, very easy to say on mic. ज्ञानियांच्या हन ठाई याची मातुही कीर नाही देही देह भावो जिही स्ववश केले ज्ञानियांच्या हन ठाई यांची मातुही कीर नाही देही देह भावो जिही स्ववश केले ज्ञानियांच्या ठाई the realized one in them, in their mind, in their life. Yachi matuhi kira nahi. Yachi means before the previous shloka which said ye hi samsparsajaha bhogaha. So jnani people, they don't have this discussion or the things in their life. What? Subjects, objects, craving for those objects. I want house, I want car, I want this, I want that. No, no cravings. If they need to do some work, they will have it. If someone gives, fine. If someone doesn't give, fine. Yachi matu kira nahi. No craving for sense objects. Why? देही देह भावो जिहि स्ववश केले देही in this very body देह भाव identification with body I am body this knowledge or देह भाव means काम क्रोध स्ववश केले desires they have control anger they have control so no desires no sense objects no anger no problems who ज्ञानियांच्या हन ठाई why they have reached to such level such avastha because there is something inside them which is the source of joy or which is nothing but joy they found out that that's why all these things are not there why do we have desires and angers because we haven't found yet the source of joy which is inside जयांते बाह्याची भाष नेनिजेची निशेष अंतरी सुख एक अथी जयांते बाह्याची भाष नेणिजेची निशेष अंतरी सुख एक अथी अंतरी इनसाइड एक सुख आथी there is one source of joy, one fountainhead of bliss. Therefore, बाह्याची भाष निशेष नेणिजे बाह्याची भाष something outside निशेष completely absolutely नेणिजे they don't have the idea that happiness exists outside why अंतरी सुख नित्य सुख सत्य सुख आथी outside अनित्य सुख मिथ्या सुख आधी. दॅट्स वाय आउटसाइड, बाह्याची भाषण दे डोंट वरी, दे डोंट थिंक, दे डोंट impose happiness outside. Then, so inside there is joy. So, do they enjoy that joy? Dhaneshwar Maharaj says they do enjoy it, but not the way a bird enjoys fruit. Okay, let us understand little bit deep concept is this. So, if I want to enjoy mango, how do I enjoy mango? I enjoyer, mango, object of enjoyment. I put it in my mouth and I enjoy. So, object, I am different. Mango is different. Joy coming out of mango is different. See, I, eater, mango, the eaten one, and joy, when it comes, when my tongue and mango comes together, joy comes. Three things are different. Naneshwar Maharaj gives example of a bird. Bird, fruit. So the way bird eats fruit, being different, being separated, like that, Jnani doesn't enjoy this inner happiness. Means, I am Jnani now. Let us enjoy inner happiness. Aha, not like that. Then how? Let us see Dhaneshwar Maharaj what he says. So far going so good. परी वेगळे, परी ते वेगळेपणे भोगिजे. वेगळेपणे being separate from सुखम. जैसे पक्षी फळ चुंबिजे. The way bird eats a fruit, being separated from that fruit. तैसे नवे. Very important. This Atma Sukha is not like that, where you separate yourself from that Atma and you enjoy Sukham. It's not like that. Then how it is? तेथ भोगते पणही विसरिजे. तेथ, in that state. भोगते पणही विसरिजे. No भोगतेपण. Not, I am not enjoyer. I am not different. This is important topic. When I eat fruit, I know fruit is different from me. When that fruit comes in contact with my tongue, then only I enjoy the joy, that too impermanent joy. Whereas this happiness understanding is different. I am not different from Atma. Atma Sukham is not enjoyed by being separated, different from Atma. Just like a bird enjoys a fruit, being different, separated from that fruit. Then how it is enjoyed? You forget that you are an enjoyer and you identify yourself with Atma. And that Atma is Sukham. By being it, you can enjoy it. So, what is our problem? We have our problem, you listen. Our problem is we want to be separated from the object and enjoy it. If I ask you simple question, you want to enjoy sugar by being separated from sugar, or you want to enjoy sugar by being sugar? Two simple sentences. You want to enjoy sugar by being separated from sugar, or you want to enjoy sugar by being sugar? Our answer will be, I don't want to become sugar. I want sugar to eat. So this is our habitual, nature. So whenever we say we use enjoy Brahma Sukham, where is it? It's not like that, where is it? You are that, and that is Sukham. Nalpe sukhamasti. Bhuma eva sukham. Naradji says that. That which is infinite is happiness. Identifying that infinitudeness of one's own self is enjoying that. So, bhogte panahi visarije. You are not bhokta, you are not ahankar, you are not mind which enjoys everything. In fact, you are not jiva. Then all the triputi should go. This is very core subject of Vedanta. भोगी अवस्था एक उठी ते अहंकाराचा अचळू लोटी मग सुखेसी घे आठी गाढेपणे भोगी अवस्था एक उठी ते अहंकाराचा अचळू लोटी मग सुखेसी घे आठी गाढेपणे. What a explanation. Hmm. भोगी अवस्था एक उठी. In this sequence of I am the enjoyer, thing is enjoyed, and I get happiness out of it. In this continuous sequence of my life, there is one kind of thinking which arises, which destroys the ahankara, the notion of finitude. Bhogi avastha ek uthi. In that normal life, one day, with so much of thinking, what happens? One thought comes. How I can be the happiness? How there is not happiness in the object? In that sequence of enjoyment, it comes ahankaracha achalu loti, and it dispels, it destroys, it shatters this ahankar. So when I identify, I am not ahankara, which is identifying with this body. I am the Atma, which is the Atma of ahankara. Means I am not small I, which says I am Vasant. I am that big I, which is real I of Vasant. Okay. You need more Vedanta background to understand this. Maga sukhe sighe ati gadhepane. Once this ahankara goes away, once this identification with body goes away, then this I, the real I, embraces its own nature. It understands this I is infinite. Then why do I feel I am in the body? It is just feeling because of identification. If you identify, think more and more, and if you identify with better things, with Guru's guidance, with your own thinking, then sukhe sighe ati, you are going to embrace that happiness, the source of happiness, the only happiness. Then what happens? ते आलिंगन मेळी होय आपे आप कवळी जेत जळ जैसे जळी वेगळे न दिसे. व्हॉट ए एक्झाम्पल गिवन. ते आलिंगन मेळी होय आपे आप कवळी तेथ जळ जैसे जळी वेगळे न दिसे. ते आलिंगन मेळी when अहंकार disappears, or when I understand I am not Vasant. This is better way to understand according to Swami Bodhatmananda ji. Don't say Ahankarang, just put your name. I am not Vasant. Who am I? The I of Vasant. Alingana Medi. When I understand I am not Vasant, and when I embrace my real nature, Ape Aap Kavali. Who is embracing whom? Atma is embracing Atma only by understanding its infinitude. Listen, listen, listen. Atma is embracing Atma by understanding I'm infinite. Put it different way. Vasant, I, is embracing Brahma, I, by understanding they are not two, they are one. How it's possible? Both are same. I go, I eat, I talk. In this I am referring to body. Who is eating? Who is going? Body is going, body is eating. When you understand this I, which I am referring to body, is not with the body, this I is with the Brahma, Atma, that time both I are same only. I am conscious, and this I, which has unity, not unity, oneness with the Brahma, is also conscious. Satchit Ananda, there is no time to prove that. I am Satchidananda. Brahma is also Satchidananda. We both are one. So I and Brahma same. Means the consciousness which is presiding over this body is infinite, is limitless. It is not bound by anything. So when that I understands nature of real I, then everything is done. How? Both are same. So jale, jali, jal, jaise, vegle. One water is there. You mix that water with another water. So you have one glass of water. You go and you pour that glass of water into ocean. Now, what happened? That one glass of water has become ocean. How it can become? Okay, can you separate that one glass of water from that ocean after 1 minute also? After 1 second, the moment you put that water into the ocean, oh, big. So same way. जैसे जळी जळ वेगळे न दिसे. So Atma and Brahma, they are one, they are not two different. Brahman only was thinking I am Atma. Swami Bodhatmanandaji's sentence is Brahman is only thinking that I am Atma or I am body, not even Atma, I am body. When Guru comes, then somehow I am convinced that I am Atma. Then what is the nature of that Atma? Enquiry. Give me another example. This water understood, but some deep example. Yes. Here you go. का आकाशी वायू हरपे तेथ दोन्ही हे भाष लोपे तैसे सुखची उरे स्वरूपे सुरती तिये. हम्म. का आकाशी वायू हरपे तेथ दोन्ही हे भाष लोपे तैसे सुखची उरे स्वरूपे सुरती तिये. So there is space. A now deeper example, the closest example to understand all these things. And there is wind, which is going, okay, in space. At some point, what happens? The wind stops. Wind stops. Okay, you are sitting under a fan. The fan is giving you nice air, and that air, where it disappears? In space only. The air becomes space, or it disappears, it dissolves itself in space. Akashi vayu harpe. Akashi means not up. Akashi around you. Harpe. Te tadoni he bhashalope. Once the air or wind disappears in space, we don't say, this is wind, this is space. No, bhashalope. Doni he bhashalope. There is no idea of duality when the wind is dissolved, when the wind has lost its finitudeness, it has become space. So I am also, when Atma, I has lost identification with the body, it becomes one with the infinite. तैसे सुखचिउरे स्वरूपे सुरतीति. Like that, the pure bliss only remains. That kind of union is there. Swarupe Sukhachi Ure. In that Swarupa, then remains Sukha only. Okay. ऐशी द्वैताची भाष जाये मग म्हणो जरी एकची होये होय. सॉरी. ऐशी द्वैताची भाष जाय मग म्हणो जरी एकची होय तरी तेथ साक्षी कवणू आहे जाणते जे. दिस इज हाव इट इज. ऐशी द्वैताची भाष जाय मग म्हणो जरी एकची होय तेथ तरी तेथ साक्षी कवणू आहे जाणते जे. नाऊ लिटिल मोर डीपर. लिसन. द्वैताची भाष जाय. So when small glass of water becomes one with the ocean, then there is no duality. This is glass of water, or this is water of this water is of glass, and this is ocean water. No discussion. Okay. Another example was mm, when the wind dissolves in space, then there is no discussion. Oh, this is wind, this is space. द्वैताची भाष आहे. Like that, when Atma Chaitanya Ahankara, when it dissolves, loses its grip over finitudeness, then there is no this discussion about Ahankara, I separate and Brahma separate. One. What examples? मग म्हणो जरी एकची होय. And if at all, when Atma becomes one with Brahman, if at all it becomes one with Brahman, then who is there to say they are one? मग म्हणो जरी एकची होय तरी तेथ साक्षी कवणू आहे जाणते जे. If Atma becomes Brahma, let us say, there is no Atma becoming Brahma. Atma understands I am Brahman. The limited one understand I am limitless. The bound I understand I am boundless. If at all you say no, 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 this Atma becomes Brahma, jari ekachi hoya tari, then who is there to tell us Atma and Brahma became one? I have seen that. I am Sakshi. Atma and Brahma became one. No one is there because Sakshi itself is Brahman. Sakshi itself is Brahman. Who is Sakshi? Sakshi means one who is witnessing everything. One who is witnessing everything. If some murder or something happens, some crime happens, there is someone who is not involved in anything, but he is witness. Sakshi means now breathing is happening, seeing is happening, talking is happening, listening is happening, sitting is happening, standing is happening, all things are happening, hand is moving. Who is observing all these things? That observer, or in fact witness, is Brahman. If you say the Atma and Brahman, oh, they became one, then who said they became one? There has to be someone. They said, no, this Sakshi, Atma, Jiva is Brahman. So I should not say like this now. Sakshi, Atma, Jiva is Brahman. Not this. Is there are no two. If I say Sakshi is Brahma means there are two. Sakshi is Brahman. One, one. तेथ साक्षी कवणो आहे जाणते जे. Who is there who will know that, oh, this oneness has happened? Nothing like that. There is no duality. There is no one to know the oneness also. Even one step further. When all trace of duality is lost. Yeah, so when there is no two thing, what can be explained? What discussion can happen? Nothing can happen. Hare Rama. योऽन्तः सुखोऽन्तरारामः तथान्तर्ज्योतिरेव यः स योगी ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं ब्रह्मभूतोऽधिगच्छति योऽन्तः सुखोऽन्तरारामः तथान्तर्ज्योतिरेव यः स योगी ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं ब्रह्मभूतोऽधिगच्छति यः अन्तः सुखः अंतर आरामः तथा अंतर्ज्योतिः एव यः सः योगी ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं ब्रह्मभूतः अधिगच्छति. What is shloka? Okay. Yah, the one who antasukha has become one with inner joy. Antar aramah, one who is calm, composed, and relaxed within. Yah antar jyotihi, one who has understood I am consciousness. That consciousness is illuminating ahankara, body, mind, intellect. I am the Jyoti of Jyoti. One who understands this. Antar Jyoti. I am consciousness. Tameva bhantam anubhati sarvam. First, that consciousness is there. Because of that, other things are known. That consciousness, I am Antar Jyoti. Sayogi. That is realized one. Brahma Bhutah. That has become one with Brahman. Means has understood his infiniteness. Brahma Nirvanam Adhigachyati, and he goes, he attains this Brahman only. Means there is no doubt that he will go in some other life. Person who has found out inner happiness, inner relaxed place, and inner illuminating thing. That person is Brahma Bhuta. He has become one with Brahman and he attains that Brahman only. Then what about Papam and all? And then what he does after once the attainment is done? Okay, see here. Labhante Brahmanirvanam Rushaya Kshina Kalmashaha Chinnadvaidhayatatmanah Sarvabhutahite Rataha Labhante Brahmanirvanam Rushaya Kshina Kalmashaha छिन्नद्वैधायतात्मानः सर्वभूतहिते रताः लभन्ते ब्रह्मनिर्वाणम् ऋषयः क्षीणकल्मषाः छिन्नद्वैधाः यतः यत आत्मानः सर्वभूतहिते रताः. Okay. Person who has found out inner happiness, inner consciousness, inner relaxed venue. Khena kalmashaha. On the top of that, whose papam, tendency to do wrong things, have gone away, washed out. Khena, destroyed. What? Tendency to do wrong things. Kalmasha means papam. Chinna dvaidha, no doubts at all. I am body or I am mind. I am consciousness or I am Brahman or that consciousness is fine. No doubts. Yatatmanah, full control over mind. And Sarvabhuta Hite Rataha, engaged in the well being of all people. That is Rishi, whose tendency to do papam has gone away. No doubts, control mind, engaged in well-being of all people. Such person is called Rushi. Brahmanirvanam labhante. He will attain. What he will attain? He has attained. He will be in that. मनोनी असो हे आघवे एत न एथ एथ न बोलणे काय बोलावे ते खुणची पावेल स्वभावे आत्माराम मनोनी असो हे आघवे एथ न बोलणे काय बोलावे ते खुणची पावेल स्वभावे आत्माराम हे असो आघवे. Enough of this explanation. Explanation is going on in Dvaitam. Explanation is going about Advaitam. So Dvaitam is explaining about Advaitam. Enough of this. एथ न बोलणे काय बोलावे. एथ न बोलणे. We cannot talk anything about Brahman. Then so far what you were doing? Yeah, we were trying to tell you with the help of words. So you reach in that state. And once you reach that state, no talking. There are no two things. Who will talk? Okay. एथ न बोलणे काय बोलावे. काय, what to talk? There is nothing to talk. ते खुणची पावेल स्वभावे आत्माराम. One who has attained this, he will understand it nicely. The one is in this state, he will understand it. Khunachi pavel swabhave atmarama. One who has become this, Khunachi pavel, he will understand. Otherwise, no one. Yes. Example, Naneshwar Maharaj himself going to give. जे ऐसे नि सुखे मातले आपण पाची आपण गुंतले ते मी जाणे निखळ ओतले सामरस्याचे जे ऐसे नि सुखे मातले आपण पाची आपण गुंतले ते मी जाणे निखळ ओतले सामरस्याचे ऐसे नि सुखे मातले. Matale means they are, absorbed, they are abided, they are blind, they are reveling in this sukha. That kind of sukham is this. Apan pachi, apan guntale. This mind is all the time stuck in Atma Swarupa. Mind is only thinking about Atma Swarupa. ते मी जाणे निखळ ओतले सामरस्याचे. These people who are, blind and reveling in this Atma Sukham, those who are stuck in Atma Chintanam, such people are this Brahma Swarupa. You understand that. They are equal Brahma. This Brahma is what? Samarasya means Brahma Ikya. These people are Brahman himself. This body also you don't think different. Brahman only. How? This is how it is explanation. ते आनंदाचे अणुकार सुखाचे अंकुर की महाबोधे विहार केले जैसे. ते आनंदाचे अणुकार सुखाचे अंकुर की महाबोधे विहार केले जैसे. ते आनंदाचे अणुकार. They are the reflection of bliss. Now about them, explanation is going on. Sukhache Ankura, they are sprout for this happiness. Mahabodhe Vihara Kele say this Mahabodha, this great wisdom is in them. Vihara means a place. In that place, Mahabodha is living. This kind of these people are. The replica, the reflection of bliss, the sprout of happiness, and where the Mahabodha is staying. Who are they? These great people. ते विवेकाचे गाव की परब्रह्मीचे स्वभाव ना तरी अलंकारिले अवयव ब्रह्मविद्येचे. नाऊ ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज इज glorifying them like anything. Nivrittinath Maharaj has to come and say, stop. How long? Now go with the topic of text. ते विवेकाचे गाव की परब्रह्मीचे स्वभाव ना तरी अलंकारले अवयव ब्रह्मविद्येचे. These people are विवेकाचे गाव. They are village dwelling place of discrimination. They are the gav means a place where discrimination dwells, resides. Because ahankara and atma, their distinction, their discrimination is not easy. There are advanced texts where they won't discuss about viveka vairagya much. Only atma and ahankara. Ki parabrahmiche swabhava, they are like this parabrahma, niragas, no change at all, no repulsions in the ocean, calm, composed, equipoised. They are like Brahmavidyeche avayava alankarile, as though they are ornamented limbs of this knowledge. If at all, if changes happens in knowledge, they will look like this Brahma, they will look like this Mahatma. Brahmavidyeche alankarile avayava. Wonderful. Great. ते सत्वाचे सात्विक चैतन्याचे अंगिक हे बहु असो एक 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 वाणसी काही. ते सत्वाचे सात्विक की चैतन्याचे अंगिक हे बहु असो एक एक वाणसी काही. ते सत्वाचे सात्विक, दे आर द प्युरिटी ऑफ प्युरिटी. सत्वाचे सात्विक, द एसेन्स ऑफ प्युरिटी. चैतन्याचे अंगिक, दे आर फॉर्म ऑफ embodiment of consciousness. हे बहु असो एक एक वाणसी काही बहु असो. देर इज सो मच टू टेल. one aspect of this Mahatma, how long you will tell? Okay. And now Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, Nivrittinath Maharaj says, when you engage yourself, when you take delight in explaining Santa Mahatma, elaborating them, glorifying them, then you forget what is the topic. You go little bit off track, but you speak so good, O Jnaneshwar Maharaj. ज्ञानोबा किती सुंदर बोलताय. विषयांतर झाले पण किती सुंदर बोलताय. का? तर भक्तांचं लक्षण, संतांचं लक्षण, ज्ञानी महात्मांचं लक्षण सांगतात. What a nectar of the rain of nectar is happening from your beautiful mouth, though you are taking a small uh, turn, but you are explaining in a such a way that we are we are lost in your words, Naneshwar Maharaj. Sattvache sattvic is a purity of purity. Tu santastavani ratasi, you are taking delight in the glorifying, praising Sant Mahatma. Kathechi se na karisi, you don't worry about the story which is going on. Nirali bol, you are talking something else. Sanagar, but the words are so good. I don't have any simile to give them. Words are so good, so good. But Naneshwar Maharaj, Nanoba, leave everything. Don't go in that area. Come back, explain what subject is going on. परितो रसातिशयो मुकळी मग ग्रंथार्थ दीपू उजळी करी साधू हृदय राऊळी मंगल उखा परितो रसातिशयो मुकळी मग ग्रंथार्थ दीपू उजळी करे साधू हृदय राऊळी मंगल उखा. Wow. You control this overwhelming love for the Sant Mahatma. Control. Mukuli. You control now. This overwhelming joy when you explain all these things. Granthartha Deepu Ujali. You please enlight this Grantha, which is one kind of lamp. So you enlight this. Come focus on Grantha. करी साधू हृदय रावळी मंगल उखा. Sadhu Hridaya, those are good people. Sadhu Hridaya, in their heart, which is like a temple. Sadhu Hridaya Ravuni Mangala Ukha. You do, you arise auspiciousness, day of auspiciousness. Ukha, day. Mangala, auspiciousness. So you control now explanation of this Santa Mahatma. You please enlight the lamp of this Gita. You please dawn the auspiciousness in the heart, which is like a temple of a great pure people. Okay. When Naneshwar Maharaj hears that, Naneshwar Maharaj is melted. Naneshwar Maharaj gone. Nivrittinath Maharaj says, stop this now, do this. Oh, so let's go. ऐसा गुरुचा उवाईला निवृत्ती दासासी पातला मग तो म्हणे कृष्ण बोलिला तेची ऐका. नाउ वॉट एवर कृष्ण सेड, लेट मी रीड इट आउट अगेन. ऐसा गुरुचा उवाईला निवृत्ती दासासी पातला मग तो म्हणे कृष्ण बोलिला तेची ऐका. गुरुचा उवाईला, ही गॉट instruction from a teacher. Nivrutti Dasasi Patala, and he is such a great disciple of Nivrutti Dasa. So he got instruction, Patala, he got instruction from Nivruttinath Maharaj that, hey, come back. Magato म्हणे, then Naneshwar Maharaj says, Krishna bolila techi aika, whatever Krishna said, listen to that. Then he is in very hurry because Guru might have got angry. Arjuna Ananta Sukacha Dohi. So why can't we talk once we reach that avastha? That is example is given here, which is connected to first verse. Arjuna Ananta Sukhacha Dohi. एकसरा तळची घेतला जिही मग स्थिरावून तेही तेची झाले. So there is big okay. Ananta Sukhacha Dohi means in Atma. Ananta Sukha, unfathomable. Sukha, Dohi, there is a mm, Dohi means one lake. But this lake is not ordinary lake. Ananta Sukhacha Dohi. In the infinite bliss lake. Ekasara taluchi घेतला जिही. Ekasara. Once if someone goes the bottom of that lake, the ground of that lake, then what happens? He stays there only. In Vedanta, different way it is given. In Vedanta, they says there is one, the nose ring. Okay, that nose ring, golden nose ring has fallen into a well, and some person who has good stamina goes inside, and he gets the golden nose ring. And once he get it, he got it now. But he cannot say, I got it. There are no words. You just have it. That's all. In the same way, when you plunge into the infinite bliss of Atma, then there is no talking, there is no discussion. But Talu Ghetalaji, one who has गॉन डाऊन टिल द ग्राउंड. मग स्थिरावून ही जे तेची झाले अँड दे एस्टॅब्लिश देअर दे हॅव बिकम दॅट. अनदर एक्झाम्पल. अथवा आत्मप्रकाशे चोखे जो आपण पेची विश्व देखे तो देहेची परब्रह्म सुखे मानू येईल. अथवा आत्मप्रकाशे चोखे जो आपण पेची विश्व देखे तो देहेची परब्रह्म सुखे मानू येईल. अथवा और आत्मप्रकाशे चोखे in in the light of pure consciousness जो आपण पेची विश्व देखे he has understanding that I am not this, I am this entire world including this body. तो देहेची परब्रह्म सुखे मानू येईल. That person who not only thinks himself as body but also sees the entire world as his own body. तो that person देहेची परब्रह्म सुखे मानू येईल. That person is in this body itself. He is a parabrahma sukha. He is parabrahma. जे साचो नाव अगेन लिटिल बिट जे साचो कारे परम नाते अक्षर निस्सीम जे गावीचे निष्काम अधिकारी जे साचो कारे परम नाते अक्षर निस्सीम जे गावीचे निष्काम अधिकारी जे साचो कारे परम. नाउ अबाउट that Atma Chaitanya, Nareshwar Maharaj is explaining, which is our self, which we are. Sacho kare param, truly it is supreme, superior. What? Atma Swarupa. Why? Why? Akshar, it doesn't deteriorate, doesn't decay. Changeless. Nisim, no boundary, boundless. जे गावीचे निष्काम अधिकारी आहे. People who don't want anything in their life, they want this state. जे गावीचे about that Parabrahma, निष्काम अधिकारी आहे. Selfless people, they are the worthy of this Atma Swarupa. This is how the great is Atma Swarupa. जे निसंशया जे महर्षी वाटले विरक्ता भागा फिटले जे निसंशया पिकले निरंतर जे महर्षी वाटले. This knowledge which is distribute knowledge was only kept for maharshis. जे महर्षी वाटले, here they have said flourished in great, that way also fine, distributed among rishis, or those who are highly dispassionate, such people had this. विरक्ता भागा फिटले जे निसंशया पिकले निरंतर, and those who don't have doubt, for such people it came. Okay. So this knowledge, Je Maharshi Vatali, was only kept for Maharshis, great Rishi, or it was distributed among Maharshis. Virakta Bhagal, those who are highly dispassionate, such people only got this great knowledge, this great Atma Tattva. Je Nisamshaya Pikale Nirantar, one who is Nisamshaya, a doubtless. For such fellow, it is fructified. Pikale, this knowledge is fructified to a person who is Nisamshaya Chinnadvaidha. It is beyond this doubts and everything. Such person. Now, quickly, we will sing one song. Already, we have taken 1 hour. What to do? The topic is so good. We can go on speaking on this. Okay. ब्रह्मरस गोडी तयासी फावली वासना निमाली समूळ ज्याची नाही त्या विटाळ अखंड सोवळी उपाधी वेगळी जाणीवेच्या मन हे निश्चल झाले एके ठाई तया उणे काई निज सुखा तेची पुण्यवंत उपकारी प्रबोधित्या नारी नरलोका नाही त्या विटाळ अखंड सोवळी उपाधी वेगळी जाणीवेच्या. हम्म, 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 हम्म. तुका म्हणे त्यांचे पायी पाय पोस. तुका म्हणे त्यांचे पायी पाय पोस. होवो नियावास करीन तेथे. होवो नियावास करीन तेथे. नाही त्या विटाळ अखंड सोवळी. नाही त्या विटाळ अखंड सोवळी उपाधी वेगळी जाणीवेच्या. नाही त्या विटाळ अखंड सोवळी. ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. तुकाराम 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 पुंडलिक वरदा हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय. जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय. सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांती शांती शांती.